Hi everyone, Brad here. I have received a number of questions from folks out there in internet land and via our social media. Can you show the differences between a 25-foot and a 27-foot floor plan? Yes, I can. I'm currently standing here in a 27-foot front bed twin bed Globetrotter, and right behind me you can see that there's a closet here on this side of the room, and there's another closet on this side of the room, and then you have a little bit of a gap between the mattress and the wall there, and the same over here, you have a gap between the mattress and the wall. Now I'm standing in a 25-foot front twin bed Globetrotter, and you see that there's no closet on this side, but there is on this side. And then down here below the end of the mattress you have no gap between the mattress and the wall. Same on this side, no gap between the mattress and the wall. Those are the main differences in the bedroom from a twin bed 27 and a twin bed 25. The next major differences are right here in the middle in the hallway. So in a 27 front bed you have two closet doors here in the hallway, so it's twice as wide. Here in the 25-foot front bed, you have a single hall closet. Next area would be your pantry. Here in the 25-foot, you have about an 8-inch wide pantry that pulls out. It's a nice size. You have a little door that opens up here. In the 27-foot, it's quite larger. You have a giant door up here. You have this pull-out drawer here. This one comes equipped with a microwave, so it's opted with the gas oven and the microwave in the drawer here. If you get the convection oven microwave, it would replace the gas oven here, and this would still be pantry space. The last major difference between a 25 and 27 are the counter space here in the kitchen. The 27 has about 4 more inches of counter space, and these drawers are twice as wide. The 25-foot, you see the drawer space here is about half as wide, and you lose that bit of counter space. If you opt for the queen bed and a 27-foot here behind me, you can see that it's a north-south queen bed, and it has no closet space in the bedroom on either wall. There's no closet over there, there's no closet over here. All your closet will be in the main hallway. But you do have a nightstand table on both sides of the bed with storage underneath. I'm standing here in an international 25 front bed queen bed, and I'm going to show you how it goes from east to west. There's a little bit of room to come around. Going around the edge of the bed would be no issue, but up at the front, it's a small gap there. Also in a 25 front queen bed, you have this long closet here with a series of drawers at the bottom. Those are the major differences between the 25 and the 27 front bed. If you have any other questions, please be sure to let us know, and I'll do my best to answer them as soon as I can. Have a great day, everyone, and happy adventures.